Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm glad you're here. Alright, today I'm going to be taking you on how to create your first YouTube thumbnail using the Canva app. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, we are here on the Canva app. Usually it has the paid and the free version, but if you're just starting out with the Canva app, you could start with the free version, in which that's what I'm using right now. At the top here, you're gonna find series of pre-designed. You could just change and add things and make it wonderful to your taste. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll right to see what really fits into what I'm trying to do. Okay, got it. Right now you can find the YouTube thumbnail, so I click and then wait for it to load. So I scroll down looking for any design that looks like what I want to make use of. Right, scroll down and I think we got ourselves something that looks pretty much like what I want to. So click on it. Okay, here it is guys, it's load up. So very quickly I'm gonna have to start making some editing and changes. So first of all, I'm gonna just use my two fingers, pinch and then drag it open. Okay, it's really simple to edit and adjust, and then I can edit the text to whatever I want it to be. So I quickly click on it. Okay, so from the look of it, it's getting out of control, it's out of the bounds and all of that. So let's quickly do something about that, shall we? It's really adjustable. You could edit and adjust whatever you don't want. Okay, I don't think I'll be needing this. You're gonna have to be a little bit patient with it since you're making use of a phone. Okay, there we go. Now we have an image of a person here. I might decide to change the image, right? I can click on it, although I prefer what's here, but if you want to change the image, you could click on it and say replace, and then it gives you tons of images here. You go to photo and then you search for whichever photo you want. Okay, a woman. Okay, I have tons of photo here, and then we have the ones for the paid version and the ones for the free version. Now I'm gonna always recommend you go designs that already have the kind of photo you want, because mostly if you're making use of the free version, because so it doesn't destabilize your design. You will hardly get something really nice with a paid free version when you're looking for images. Yeah, but every other thing is really as cool as they appear. I can change the color here, although I don't want to change the color, but I could change the color here to whatever I want, and same goes to every other thing you're looking at on this image. You can change the color on the text and more of that. Now really quick, I don't want this thumbnail to be with the rest of the design, so I'm gonna quickly cut that off. Okay, now if you want to add a new text, here's what you do. On the plus sign, what do you want to add? I want to add text, right? But then searching for all of this text, sometimes I might not really want to do that, so you could quickly click on any of it and then change the text to whatever you want it to be. But then I'm not doing that right now. Other method I use is, okay, I already love the font that is here. I don't want to make it a different font so they don't look, I don't have too many fonts on one design. So I click on this and then I say duplicate. I take the duplicates over here and then click on it. Okay, I delete everything on this duplicated layer and then I put in what I want. I move this here. Okay, I want it to be a little bit bigger. Okay, good. So now I have this here and I might choose to change the color, font size, format, spacing and all of that, but then I want to change the color. Yeah, I want to definitely change the color to white. Okay, so there we go. We have our thumbnail ready, and if we are done, what do? We quickly save it. Wait for it to save, and there we have it saved. And we could actually go check it out on and there we go. You have your, all right guys, very quick one. Just in case you want to learn how to add this thumbnail to your YouTube video, which is actually tricky sometimes, okay, hit the subscribe button and then let me know in the comment section, because I'm going to be making a new video soon. I could choose to make that a new video. Okay, cheers.